He stopped beneath the married man's trail sign, watching the fog slide over the mountain like the land was breathing. Most people walked past without noticing the faded paint, the rust, or the small fish ladder plaque. Proof that even fish fight their way upstream. But standing there, he felt the truth rise in him. Every place holds a story. Most of us are just moving too fast to hear it. Maybe this trail once carried secrets, or maybe it carried people simply looking for a moment of escape. Either way, the purple flowers blooming at its base said everything. There is beauty even in the forgotten corners of the world, and the truth waiting in the places we finally decide to see.